guys, so yesterday we did day 4. Day 4 was really cool. We found an amazing scenic route which we're going to do again today. I'm going to try and video it, see if I can get some good shots of it. It was really beautiful, quite narrow but really gorgeous, like an amazing run, great for even the beginners, so it was really good. And then it was just a day of exploring the other side of the mountain a bit, trying to see which runs are really good, what we can do with the others, what we can do as a big group together, like all that stuff, and getting the most amazing views I've ever seen. Like, it's absolutely beautiful here and everything's just so amazing and we're absolutely loving it.
Soldier of fortune, gotta walk through a fire for what's important. And the warrior's blood through your veins is coursing. Kill for hire, soldier of fortune. The whole world's watching every move. Take your shot, don't act a fool. All you got and all you ever need is one bullet in the chamber. Breathe easy, take your aim, boy. Ain't nobody gonna save you. So what you gonna do? One bullet in the chamber. Breathe easy, take your aim, boy. Ain't nobody gonna save you. So what you gonna do? Do or die, you're a mercenary. One of a kind that you're burdened to carry. Go and make them proud, do what's necessary. Oh no, do or die, you're a mercenary. Now the whole world's watching every move. Take your shot, don't act a fool. Oh